Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clarifying the conversion goal and audience so the AI generates focused content. Once done, collect your hero image, logo, and a one-paragraph brand brief. Next, open the AI content tool and craft the first prompt. Describe tone, CTA, audience, and page length. Make sure to include the conversion metric, for example, a 5% email sign-up target, because the AI will optimize messaging for that. Finally, export generated headlines and a short hero paragraph to iterate from. Now you assemble the page. Place the AI headline, subhead, and 3 benefit bullets into a clean template. Once done, select a layout, 1 column for focus, 2 column for features, and apply a 16:9 hero crop. Then generate image variants and choose the best contrast to improve scannability. Make sure to write 2 CTA variations and implement simple A/B tests. While building, connect analytics and heat maps so you can watch how copy and layout change real user behavior. You're ready to publish, but preview on mobile and desktop and confirm load times are under 2.5 seconds. Slow pages kill conversions. Once live, monitor your chosen metric and watch early user paths, then iterate. Change the headline, tighten the CTA, or swap visuals to improve clarity. If results are poor, a fast troubleshooting tip is to roll back to the prior working copy or swap in the alternate AI-generated headline. This reduces risk while you diagnose what's failing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.